Now we mixed everything up. All the flavors mixed through our plain base here. We're going to take it over to our batch machine. We're going to pour it in right in the top here. The good thing about this batch machine is the large fill mouth. Helps not make a mess here. And then as you can see, there's still some left in here, but we want to get all that flavor.
Talk about the coffee bunny you're going to say to it.
And not only are we getting all the flavor out, this is, I mean, if you look at this, this is like a few cups of ice cream here. You don't want to lose that profit just because you didn't get all the flavor out of the bucket. We're going to pour that in as well. And we're going to set our timer to about 8 minutes. Turn on our dasher, our compressor, and hit set and start the timer.